Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing voice recorder app and selecting allow or while using in all pop-ups. When you're ready, before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now click on Settings and adjust all of them however you want to, like quality. Then go back and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this icon on the right. And to listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button on the left. If you want to save it and end it though, click on this square on the right below bookmark. Now name it however you want to and click on save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. And to delete it, hold it. Lastly, click on delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!